My name is Claire Cameron and I'm the Executive Director of the Pacific Heart, Lung and Blood Institute, PHLBI, a non-profit medical research institute in Los Angeles. While conducting immunotherapy stem cell research for a rare form of cancer, we uncovered a means to empower the body's immune system to target and kill cancer cells. We believe our unique cutting-edge research will also benefit other cancers, such as lung cancer, breast cancer, pancreatic, prostate cancer, and large B-cell lymphoma. To spark an interest and expand upon our research program, we're resurrecting an event that Prince Charles once held in the mid-90s to raise funds for his charitable foundation. He sent identical blank plaster masks to 500 people from around the world to all areas of the arts, literature, sports, social sciences, and politics, and asked each one of them to decorate the mask, sign a release form, and send both back in the prepaid box. All 500 masks were returned and were then auctioned off at a black tie event, which raised millions of British pounds. A catalogue was also developed, showcasing all of the decorated masks, which sold extremely well. So this is what we're asking of you. We would like for you to endorse and sign the invitations that we will send along with blank masks to celebrities and captains of industry. The masks will then be auctioned off to benefit UnMasking the Cure for Cancer fundraising campaign. A few minutes of your time could place a crown of grace atop your long legacy of accomplishments. All we need is your approval and signature on a letter that we can send to well-known personalities, together with the mask, asking them to decorate and send back to us. We will do the rest. Thank you for your consideration in helping us bring awareness to our much-needed stem cell research with our Unmasking the Cure for Cancer campaign.